Video in the house right now. Because it's not every day we get 10 inches of snow.
And it's still snow. Is it still snowing?
A little bit, yeah.
Or is it blowing off
no,
the
it's still, see, look. It's still blowing a little bit.
Okay. When do your new hours start, Charlie?
Tomorrow.
And what are they?
6:30 to 2:30.
Oh, that's okay. That's good.
Get the day started early and end early, I guess. Try to get. I mean, what I like about it when it snows like this, and I'm videoing, is not just how pretty it is, but how quiet it is. You don't really realize how much noise pollution there is around here.
Don't get that crap.
Oh, it's already gotten. It's just fallen because of the weight of the snow. It's so quiet, you know, as that one goes by.
I'm surprised they're going so fast.
That's the dangerous part about people in Arkansas. Most of them don't know how to really drive in this. I mean, a few years ago when we took Debbie Montague's dog, which she'll be watching this, we drove through all of those states, Montana, Washington, in the winter, through the Rocky Mountains. And it was hard, but we had four-wheel drive, and at least the people up there were used to the snow.
Yeah.
Because I'm telling you, the entire way back, it was snow, even on an ice, even on the freeway, all the way to Arkansas. All the way. I smell dog poopy, yep.
I do too, Brian.
Think
Isn't
we,
it funny how strong smelling it is?
yep. It is. I'm not getting you on here. Oop. I might have lied. 1 second. But you're beautiful. You already know. Oop, Karma found something behind the house. Yeah, that guy's going
So
fast.
if it's a predator, they're gone.
Oh, it was Drogo. That's a predator. Drogo, what are you doing? Huh? You like the snow? Ooh, he does. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Kid's gonna get him though. Kid's gonna get
I
him.
think they all like it.
They love it. Look at Joe. Little box head. That guy right there's got chains, sounded like.
Really?
Yeah. That girl's gonna get it, that husky dog. Y'all gonna play or y'all gonna stand there? Y'all get tired in the snow. Cause it's hot and cold all at the same time. The puppies. Not like my puppies are out of shape.
Snow.
Huh?
Eating the snow. Ooh,
Yeah.
isn't that funny? Look at that. Barking at him, wanting to get in the feet.
Oh yeah. He likes to go for a ride even though he doesn't do it very often. This is Drogo's kind of weather. Look at him. Such a pretty boy. Yeah, he ain't gonna dig through. He ain't gonna dig through nothing out here.
Yeah, now you can really tell that it's still snowing. See, it's starting to come down.
It ain't through with. Where you going, ho ho? Ho ho. Ho ho. What are you doing? Don't cop a squat right there. Go on out. That would be rude to do it in front of their steps. Y'all gonna go play? Huh? I'm videoing, but I'm also able to take pictures
Now,
while I'm videoing.
Wyatt's working, right?
Yeah, he's just on a break.
Okay.
Look at my two old men right there. And then the old woman right there.
Those trees gorgeous. Those right there specifically.
They are. I'm hoping to be able to cut some of them back a little bit. What are you doing?
Oh, there goes. That's good for her to chase him like that, to run around. Oh, Kit.
Settle down. Settle down. Settle down. Y'all don't get serious. Kit.
Kit's doing it.
I said settle down.
Oh, what's that
Yeah, because I kicked him.
Oh. Oh.
They know when I speak, they need to listen.
And he didn't.
Nope, he didn't.
He can outrun him though, can he?
Look at Joe pumping around like a rabbit.
You look like a basset hound with those ears and that slow gait. You look like a basset hound.
Y'all gonna play. Get that cuckoo head.
He can't catch him. It's funny how Joe runs.
Yeah. Yo, I can't even keep up with him.
We played hide and seek around the car, and that kid, look,
Uh-huh.
trying to go around that way. Oh, he's fixing it. Oh, there he goes. That's funny. Look, Kit's looking for him. Where'd he go, Kit?
Hide and go seeking.
The tent that was covering all that up beside your father's building on both sides
Has fallen, yeah.
Snow crushed it.
It's funny because Dad came out here to try to secure it before it wouldn't do that, and it still did it.
I guess it doesn't hurt for me to let Bella out on the porch since it's shut.
Yeah. I mean, they'll come up and probably harass her a little bit, but
She's crying. She's crying.
Rocky.
kitty, kitty.
Kit.
Y'all settle down.
Lily,
That's Cookie.
Cookie, and Lily.
Cookie.
Wherever you're at, they both. Joe, you go to Joe.
Lily. Rocky.
Settle down. What is it, Rocky? It's okay, buddy. I'm getting my heart patient all worked up there. Rocky, it's okay, buddy. I'm right here. And that's all you really want anyway, see? This is what he does. Stands by the man, the daddy. Y'all go on and go play. Joe. Joe. Go on. Joe.
He's trying.
I know.
I know it. Cookie there. What is it, Bella? It's okay.
Meow. 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 She wants to come out here.
I don't know what she does. I would never. You could go there, Bella. I'm saying you could. You could go there, Bella. Good girl. Settle down.
Look at that pretty girl.
You weigh, I still say you weigh more than 35 pounds. Mama said you weigh more than 35 pounds.
Go girl.
Okay, well, stop filming for a little bit
Bella
now.
was tearing up Jack the other morning, and it was like at 7 o'clock in the morning or something. And so she was out in the yard, and I'm sitting, and she was pointing.
Uh-huh.
So she was pointing and just cheering up Jack, looking that way. Just so I finally, even though it was like 28 degrees, came out in my short sleeve pajamas and walked out into the yard to see what in the crap might be out there because I was afraid it might get her. You know what it was? Drogo sitting right there inside your fence with that thing around it. It was hilarious. Drogo was just sitting there with that thing around his neck.
That's funny.
She was upset. Her was so upset.
Hey, Joe. Y'all settle down. He's all right. He's all right.
I know it's all right.
He listened. He did.
They stop when I do that.
If they stop, they're all right. When they don't stop, they're in trouble.
I know it. I'm just watching.
No, I'm telling Charlie.
And Rocky's eating that snow.
Good.
Yes.
It's good for him.
So that's farming.
Drogo's tired. He's a tired puppy. Drogo likes the snow. It's still snowing. You can see it on the camera.
Yeah. Oh, it's everywhere. Coming down everywhere.
Look at Drogo. Are you tired, Drogo? Enjoy it, because hopefully you'll sleep well. Hopefully. We might put this one on YouTube. Well, Rocky, if that snow's good, I'm going to stop filming for a minute. Okay, we'll come back, y'all.